All right, so now that we understand how to divide using synthetic division, what we're about to see for the rest of this review is different ways that you can use synthetic division to answer different types of questions. So this number 5 is just asking you to find the remainder. So I'm going to use synthetic division. So I'm going to find that box number, x minus 8 equals 0, add 8 to both sides. So x equals a positive 8. So go put that in my box. Then I'm going to go find my coefficients, make sure that I have all of them. So I have cube, square, 1, none. So I'm going to 8, negative 55, negative 68, negative 35. I'm going to drop my first number, which is 8. And now I'm going to go to the pattern of multiply, add, multiply, add. So 8 times 8 is 64. Negative 55 plus 64 is 9. 8 times 9 is 72. Negative 68 plus 72 is 4. 8 times 4 is 32. Negative 35 plus 32 is negative 3. Again, this last number is always your remainder. So my final answer here is I'm going to take that negative 3, put it over my divisor of x minus 8, and there is my remainder. Let's look at 6. Okay. There are two different ways that we can find f of 3 for the function 4x cubed minus 7x squared plus 5x minus 6. Okay. Let's do the first method, which is by synthetic division. Okay. And here's what's a little bit different. When I have f of 3, this is saying x is 3. X equals 3. So my 3 is actually my box number. I'm going to go find my coefficients of my function. So I 3, 2, 1, none. So I don't have to worry about any zeros. So I have 4, negative 7, 5, negative 6, negative 7, 5, negative 6. I'm going to drop my first number, which is 4. So 3 times 4 is 12. Negative 7 plus 12 is 5. 3 times 5 is 15. 5 times 15 is 20. 3 times 20 is 60. And then negative 6 plus 60 is 54. Now here, this is called the remainder theorem. And f of 3 equals the remainder, 54. So when x is 3, my y will actually be 54. Now let's go look at method 2. Method 2 is the way that you learned it, how to do it in 9th grade. So when we're evaluating, whatever I see in my x, okay, next to my f, is what I'm going to plug into the x in my equation. So here it's asking me to evaluate by 3. So wherever I see an x in my equation, I'm going to plug in a 3. If you type that in your calculator, well, which I guess I don't know if I can use, it's not pulling up. Okay, if you type the right side in, so this part into your calculator, you will get 54. And that's going to equal f of 3. So the same answer, either method.